In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in Microsoft Word using a quick and easy shortcut. Whether you're switching from English to another language or vice versa, these steps will help streamline the process. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to the Microsoft 365 online website. You'll want to ensure you're accessing the free Office tools provided by Microsoft. Once you're on the main page, you should see the option to sign in at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on that. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one, but assuming you do, simply enter your login credentials and proceed. After signing in, you'll reach your Microsoft 365 homepage. Here you'll have access to all of the Office applications. Click on Word. This will open a new document or prompt you to select one from your OneDrive. Now, it's time to dive into the language settings. Once your document is ready, navigate to the top of the page where you'll find the search bar. This is a helpful tool that can save you time by allowing you to type in specific actions or commands. In the search bar, type Set Proofing Language. You'll notice a drop-down suggestion popping up. Click on Set Proofing Language from the list. This action opens a dialog box where you can view and modify the language settings for your document. You'll see a list of available languages, and typically English US is selected by default. If you're looking to change it to a different language, simply scroll through the list and click on your choice. For now, we'll keep it simple and stick with English US. Having selected your preferred language, look towards the bottom of the dialog box. You'll find an OK button. Click it to confirm and apply the changes you've made. Congratulations, you've successfully changed the language. Now Word will proofread and assist you according to the language settings you just configured. Remember, these changes are document specific. If you create a new document and need it in another language, you'll have to repeat these steps. This ensures you have the right language settings tailored for each of your needs. Practicing with different languages can greatly improve your proficiency and adaptability in using Microsoft Word effectively. And there you have it, a straightforward way to change the language within Word using a quick shortcut. By leveraging these steps, you can enhance your document editing experience, making it more convenient for multilingual tasks. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching and happy writing.